Appending missing zip codes, quick and easy guide with Lead Cruncher. Hi everyone, this is Amanda with Lead Cruncher. Today, I'm going to show you how to append missing zip codes to your property data using our Data Manager tool. Imagine you have a list of properties you've driven by maybe 50, 60, or even 10,000 of them, and you're missing the zip codes. Or perhaps you have a list of code enforcement data that's missing zip codes. How can you append those missing zip codes? Just this week, we received calls from 2 investors with different datasets, both missing zip codes. Here's how I helped them fix it. I told them to go to their Lead Cruncher account, upload their data, and use the Data Manager tool. Click on Upload File. You can either drag and drop your file into the rectangle or click Browse to upload your data. Here, you can see I have a folder on the right side with my source data, and I'm in the drag and drop screen. I'm going to drag and drop that file into the upload screen. Once it's done, a window should open. Please note your file should be in Excel format. If you see this page, you're doing fine. Now, on the left, you'll see your data fields under Source Fields. We need to map them to the right table, Destination Fields. We only need to map the address, city, and state. If we also have the mailing address, we map the mailing address, mailing city, and mailing zip code. Let's map the first column. Across from the property address under Source Fields, click on the icon to the right under the Destination field, then click on the corresponding field Property Address. Do the same for the property city and state. Don't worry about the property zip code if you don't have it. Also, map the mailing address fields. Once mapped, click on the Upload button at the top right corner. If you see a message about missing data, it means your dataset might be missing some property addresses or cities. You can either confirm and proceed or go back to your file to add the missing information. After confirming, your file will be processed. Once finished, you'll see a message saying the file is processed. Click on the Download button on the right side and select All Records to download. I've opened the downloaded file for you to see. On the left is my original data with the missing zip code column. Highlighted in green are the corrected property addresses and the corresponding missing zip codes. As a bonus, the post office also validated whether the property is tagged as vacant. This information is included in the dataset. You can see that information in column N with the heading is property vacant. The same will happen for the mailing address section. You might be wondering what happened to my other columns. No worries, Lead Cruncher has got you covered. This is a long data sheet because we have included your original data on the right side of this spreadsheet. Use the arrow key to navigate to the right side of the spreadsheet. Work your way toward column BL, titled Your Raw Data here. To the right of it, you'll find your original columns. You can now copy and paste the missing zip code column into your original dataset. This ensures you have a complete list with all the necessary information. I showed you everything in a step-by-step process for the benefit of some of our customers who asked for detailed instructions. Now, let me show you a quick live demonstration. And there you have it. Now you have a complete list with the missing zip codes appended, and you also know which property has been tagged as vacant by the U.S. Postal Service. I hope you found this video helpful. There are more videos available at the bottom of this page showcasing other functions of Data Manager. The purpose of this video was to show you how to append missing zip codes quickly and easily. Thank you for watching and have a great day.